So we've got two additional processes here, which is exposure on this machine here of the coated boards, and then the developing line here. So Steve, just talk us through those two steps.
Yeah, so you've just seen the boards get coated with a spray coater. So when they arrive at this station, they're fully coated. The entire board is coated with a solder mask. It's now been also dried. So it came off the spray coating line wet. It's been dried, solvents removed. It's now what we call tack dried. So it's been dried at sort of 70 degrees C, which is a nice comfortable temperature for Soluboard as well. So after that, we then put it on here with a photo tool, or it could go into the LDI process that you saw earlier. So they can be laser direct imaged again, a solder mask or with a photo tool. So once the photo tool is done, it's hardened the ink if we want to remain on the board, i.e. the protective area. And then it passes through this machine here if we want to swing around a little bit on the camera. Then it goes through this machine here, which is a developer, which is, again, this is another wet process, something that concerns us with Soluboard. But this is a nice friendly process. It's a 1% sodium carbonate. It's running at around about 30 degrees C, running at about 1 to 1.5 meters a minute, not doing any harm to our laminate, and it processes through. At the end of this process, it comes out of the machine dry, and then it goes into an oven for final cure at 150 degrees C.